Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present my poster. This is my poster. The title is Listening for Problem Solving Discussion. In daily life and academic situation, listening is not only about hearing sound but also about understanding meaning. One important type of listening is listening for problem solving discussion. In this presentation, I will explain the objective and the step involved in listening for problem-solving discussion based on the poster. So the first is objective. Let me begin with the objective. The objective of listening for problem-solving discussion is to listen to a conversation where people are discussing a problem and its solution. And in this type of listening, the listener is expected to understand what problem is being discussed, what solutions are offered, and how the discussion leads to a final decision. This skill is important because many discussions, both in academic and real life situation, focus on solving problems together and then identify. The first step is identify. At this stage, the listener needs to identify the main problem being discussed. Identifying the problem is the most important part of this discussion because if we misunderstand the problem, we will also misunderstand the solution. By clearly identifying the main problem, the listener can follow the discussion more effectively and understand the purpose of each speaker ideas. And then the third is one heart focus. The next step is one heart focus. In listening activity and information, the information is often only heard once. This means we do not have the chance to reply or rehear the conversation. Therefore, the listener needs to fully focus on the conversation. Full concentration helps the listener avoid missing important information, such as key details about the problem or explanation of the solution. Losing focus may result in misunderstanding or incomplete comprehension. And then take notes. The next step is take notes. While listening to the discussion, the listener should taking short notes. Taking notes doesn't mean writing everything, but writing important keywords or ideas. The notes help the listener remember important information and make it easier to answer a question later. And then note taking also support better understanding because it helps organize the information heard during discussion. And then proposed solution. After that, we move to proposed solution. In this stage, the listener needs to listen carefully to the solution offered by both a speaker, and then each speaker may propose different solution to solve the same problem. As a listener, we should pay attention to how each solution is explained. This helps us understand the strength of each idea and how they relate to the problem being discussed, and then selected solution. The final step is selected solution. At this stage, the listener needs to determine which solution is considered the best after the discussion. The selected solution is usually chosen after comparing all proposed solutions. The listener should understand why one solution is chosen over the others. This step shows that listening for problem-solving discussion is not passive, but involves thinking and evaluating information. And the last conclusion. To conclude, listening for problem-solving discussion involves several important steps. The listener must identify the problem, focus carefully because the information is only heard once. Take short notes, listen to the proposed solution, and finally determine the selected solution. By applying this step, listener can better understand discussion, the main to solve problem. This listening skill is very useful in academic discussion, group work, and everyday communication. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.